Federation invests in businesses and assets that meet a social and economic need. In these trying times, we think a well-balanced ESG portfolio gives investors the greatest chance of maintaining and building long-term wealth. Like many asset managers, our investors are asking us during the current crisis, how is Federation's portfolio performing? How do you manage risk? What is the outlook for my Federation investment? This message is an attempt to answer those questions succinctly. Our existing portfolio is comprised of 6 investments. I'll discuss each briefly and then we'll summarise what that means at the portfolio level. E-commerce logistics business Sendle has grown at over 50% per annum since our investment, and the latest crisis has only enhanced this growth as its customers seek greater home deliveries. That said, the company has turned its eyes towards controlling its cost base to mitigate potential future declines in economic activity. Moneylender RateSetter is enjoying a similar uptick in growth to Sendle, with continuing strong credit quality. That said, the company is conscious to focus on only the highest credit quality borrowers in the current climate, as well as maintaining its industry-leading provisioning policy. Renewable energy developer WinLab is performing to plan, and we look forward to continuing the company's development via a successful scheme of arrangement and partnership with Minderu's Squadron Energy from the middle of this year. Healthcare services provider George Health, however, has struggled and will struggle to convert its extensive order book to revenue through the COVID-19 crisis. Fortunately, Federation's investment has been well structured as a convertible note, which we feel is well covered, even in a downside scenario. Business as usual for our REITs. The Federation Education REIT is yet to be impacted by any requests for rental holidays or subsidies. Our tenants are well capitalised and backed by large equity investors. Similarly, Synergis, the disability housing trust which Federation manages with Social Ventures Australia, continues to grow, albeit from a low base. The Federation mindset is to focus on capital preservation before we focus on return on that capital. To summarise our existing portfolio, whilst COVID-19 was not expected and is an unwelcome event, it's not wholly damaging to our portfolio. And the Federation team is confident that each investment will weather the storm and perform strongly into the medium term. And as far as the outlook for Federation is concerned, I would like to leave 2 key messages with investors. 1, that none of the fundamental elements of Federation's investment strategy are changed by COVID-19, even though there may be some disruption to one or more of the investments in the short term. And 2, our pipeline is strong, perhaps stronger than ever, with new opportunities already emerging from the current dislocation. You can see Federation, like many, has adopted a work from home policy. However, we're fully operational and working hard to maximise outcomes for our investors. If you have further questions in relation to the topics discussed on this message, please don't hesitate to get in touch with myself or the team. Contact details are on our website.